Hey guys, hey, happy Vlogmas guys, happy Vlogmas. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. I'm going to show you everything that I got from Amazon. It's not a whole lot guys, it's just a few items. So if you want to see what I got from Amazon, stay tuned. I didn't get a whole lot guys. Let me show you what I got from Mike first so he can go ahead and put it up. Let's see, where is it? Okay, let me show you this first because he's been dying to wear it. Okay guys, so Mike worked outside and you know it's about to start getting really cold. So I got him this hat, this cap, but beanie. Got him a beanie. It's a Bluetooth. It has a Bluetooth rechargeable LED. And then it's a warmer as well. I said I was gonna actually purchase one for me, and I said, "You gonna let me wear it?" He said, "No." So I'm like, "You gonna get it all greasy?" So this is what it looks like. It's kind of heavy too. See? And it has a little size right here. Go over his ears. And it keeps your head warm. And he can listen to his little music. Yeah. So I'm gonna order another one for me, but I don't work outside, so, but we are getting ready to start the 75 soft and we're gonna be outside walking. So I'm gonna order one of these for myself. So that's what I got from Mike. Oh, I got something else for him too. I also got him some more compression socks. I think these had, how many came in here, Mike?
6 and 8.
I think 8. Got him some more compression socks. And these are long socks too, so that's going to help keep him warm when it get real cold. So we got all different colors. Plus I had just ordered him some socks, some compression socks. Okay guys, sorry about that. He accidentally turned the light off. But yeah, these are the socks. He got all different colors. I think it was like 8 pairs of socks in here. And these came from Amazon. And these are nice and thick. See how they look in the back? Really nice. Okay. And again, if you missed it, this is his beanie. It feels real thick and nice. Gonna really keep his head warm and when it starts getting real cold. That's what Mike got. Now let me show you what I got. Yeah. What? Huh?
You turn it on for him?
Oh, I don't know how to turn it on.
Yeah, the little button. Not in front. On the light.
Oh. He want me to show you what it look like when you turn it on. It's LED. That's what it look like. It warms up too, right?
No, it don't warm up.
Oh, that's what it said. It warm up.
I don't know. You just put it on your head.
Okay. But they said it's supposed to be a warmer too.
Yeah, turn it off.
Okay. There you go.
Bluetooth.
And I already showed him this Bluetooth. You should have did the video. He don't want to be on, he don't really like being on camera like that, guys. Okay, guys, so, you know, I'm going to be starting the 75 soft. It's a lot different from the 75 hard, guys. It's not going to be as strict as the 75 hard. We're just doing that to stay on track. You know, we still going to be reading our 10 pages. He said he's going to read 10 pages. We'll see. And I don't even think you have to drink a gallon of water. But I need to read all about it. But if you want to see more, you can look on my Boss Lady Denise fitness channel. And I'm going to start off with short videos. And then I'll work my way up to the longer videos. And just keep in mind that that channel doesn't have music. So it's going to be all me. That's why I said it's going to be short videos. Now the shorts will have music. But the long form videos, and which is long form, probably be 4 or 5 minutes. So, but if you want to follow me on that channel, it's Boss Lady Denise Fitness. Okay. All right. So, because like I said, I'm going to be, you know, doing my 45-minute walk, my 45-minute exercise. I haven't really stopped exercising. I'm just not as strict and hard on myself as I was with the 75 hard challenge. I'm still doing it. I'm just not as strict. You know what I mean? So, but now we're getting back on the 75 soft, and I'm going to get back, you know, strict on myself. I am trying to get up under 200. So, this is a way to keep me motivated. Well, I'm motivated, but I need to be a little bit more motivated. Your girl has started kind of getting too comfortable. So, yeah. So, anyway, this is the green scarf. That's what I got. I'll open it up later. None of the other scarves came in this package right here. So, let me open it up so you can see what it looked like. Okay. This is the green one. So, add this to my collection. The 75 days. I will not be wearing my hair. I'll be just wrapping my hair up when we go walking. Every once in a while, I might wear my hair, but most of the times, guys, you're going to see me with this on when I'm doing my exercise. Okay, so the next thing that I got was, I had some of these before, guys, but I don't know. I guess they broke. They started feeling like too big on my face. I don't know if I lost weight in my face or what, but they started like sliding and stuff. So I just ordered me another pair of these glasses right here. Okay, I see. Now these fit good. These fit real good. What, Mike? No. These fit really good. So I love me some glasses, guys. I love me some glasses. Then it came with the with this right here. Put that in my purse. It also came with something else, like a oh, this. I don't know if this is like a keychain you can put on there. I guess that's a keychain. What you think?
Is that a whistle?
I don't think it's a whistle.
Does it unscrew or something?
Like if it breaks or something.
Like a little screwdriver.
It's like he says like a little screwdriver, guys.
Yeah, so you can tighten up your
tighten it up. That's probably what I needed with the last glasses, because then they also sent me a little thing to clean them with too. Okay, so came in this little box right here, and it's Break Sun eyewear collection. So I really like the way they had this packaged up. Okay guys, the last things, I got 2 more items. Okay, so I got this lip gloss right here. This is NYX Professional Makeup. And then also I got this organic tallow honey balm unscented. This is just like a moisturizer, guys. It's 100% grass-fed beef tallow, organic Italian olive oil, organic beeswax, and raw honey. That's the only ingredients in here. And I like to put very natural items on my skin. So I'm gonna try this to see, you know, if it works. It's just like a moisturizer, or you know, you can put it up under your makeup, you know, so your face won't be, you know, so dry. But anyway, guys, that is all I got from Amazon today. I hope you enjoyed this Amazon haul. Happy Vlogmas, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys, much love. Let me try this lip gloss on before we go. Let's see. Okay guys, the lip gloss is glossing. Okay, like it. And I've already been using this tallow. Very good moisturizer. Let you see what it look like. Moisturizer is really good. Well, you don't have to just put this on your face, guys. You can put it on your hands, your heels. Uh-oh, mess up my brows here. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. I just wanted you to see what that looked like, just in case you wanna order it. Got this from Amazon. If you want to get that for your skin and the shades. But of course, if you have any questions or anything like that, you can always leave a comment at the bottom, or you can DM me, or whatever you want to do. I'll be more than happy to provide that information. Okay, with that being said, I'm gone, guys. This is it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.